Alright, today we're going to learn how to make a smoke waterfall. You can see right here, this was a filter. We took the filter out of here. You can just twist it and the paper will come off. We don't need the filter. We just need the paper that's on there. Okay? And what we're going to do, I'm going to take a cigarette. You don't want to light this cigarette. Alright. And you're going to want to take this right here and you want to just burn a hole in it. Just big enough for your cigarette. There we go. See that? Alright. Now you can put this cigarette up. Now you're going to take this little piece that we just took off the filter. I think they stuck it in there like that last time. Yeah, stick it in there like that. Let me get out of the light. As long as it's in the hole. And we're going to take the lighter. We're going to light this end. And as you can see, that is our smoke waterfall. Pretty cool, huh? And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Take that out of there and maybe make another one. Alright, we are out.